Hi, in this video I shall share with you how to find the intrinsic value of the company ComfortDelGro. Now some of the input value here have already been found in the previous videos, and therefore I do not need to go through them, and all these numbers are put here in order for us to use these values readily when computing the intrinsic value. Now in addition, we also input some of the past information in this yellow box here. This is to enable us to carry out the cash flow projections. Without much ado, let's dive into the calculations. First of all, we have the projected revenue here, which we can take from the numbers given in the input. And we just need to bring forward all the values to the other years. And that is exactly why we use the Excel file. It helps us to reduce the number of repeating calculations as we do our computation. Now I have marked this year, that is 2021, with a different color, and this is meant for us to carry out the computation. And what we want is really the numbers for this particular year. So we go ahead to do our projections. Note that the revenue growth rate here is a negative number. I mentioned in the other video that the negative growth rate means that the future revenue will get smaller and smaller because the growth rate is negative. This is possibly for a short run, maybe 2-3 years or 3-4 years down the road. Definitely this will not be possible in the long run. Somehow, somewhere, the company will definitely increase the revenue, and the only way to increase the revenue likely is to increase the fares, that is the bus fares or the taxi fare, and in order to have a positive growth rate. Now however, they are also subject to government pressure not to increase the growth rates too much, and therefore negative growth rates is possible, but it can only exist in the short run. Given that we do not know how they are going to increase the growth rates, let us work on just the negative growth rates for the next few years and work out the intrinsic value. So let us go ahead to do the projection for the revenue, and of course we have to project forward. Now we come to the net income. Let us project forward. Now we work on the free cash flow, the projected free cash flow. Let us copy forward, and we also get the terminal value as calculated in the last videos. Then we work on the discount factors and we copy forward, and here we are, we get an intrinsic value of $1.89. Based on the past data here, the intrinsic value that we obtained for ComfortDelGro is $1.89. So with that, thank you very much for viewing this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.